Creating innovative products is one of the hardest things to get right. Without the right process, teams can easily lose momentum, risking to invest months of work without any actionable results. With design sprints, teams and companies can approach new ideas and challenges without losing focus and produce actionable results in just a couple of days. In our design sprint training, you're going to learn hands-on how to successfully plan and run a design sprint. You're going to experience and learn the process firsthand from veteran sprint coaches that teach you practical insights and tricks that go way beyond the book. So what exactly are you going to learn in this training? You will learn how to run a design sprint from start to finish and how to successfully perform the different exercises. You will learn how to become a great facilitator by anticipating and handling complicated group dynamics and guide participants to success. And you will learn how to sell design sprints internally and how you can change the process so it fits perfectly into your organization. Save your ticket for our next training and learn how to build new products and business models using design sprints.